Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up your iPad Air for the first time. Now this is the iPad Air first generation. So let's take a look. Now from the welcome screen we're going to choose English. Then you want to select your country or region. So it says setting language. Okay, on the next screen we're going to choose setup manually. And then in here you need to select a Wi-Fi network to connect to. So for example this one here. Once you put in the Wi-Fi, tap on join. And then tap on next. In here it will try to activate the iPad. It will check to see if your iPad has been locked to iCloud. Okay, in the data and privacy screen we're going to tap on continued. Then create a passcode. Now you can choose passcode option and choose don't use passcode, 6-digit custom numeric code, or you can choose alphanumeric code. I'm going to choose don't use passcode. Don't use passcode. And you can choose to restore from iCloud backup, from iTunes backup, move data from an Android device, or don't transfer apps and data. I'm going to choose the last option, don't transfer. And here you will have a chance to put in your own Apple ID. If you don't have one, you can also create one. I'm going to choose forgot password or don't have an Apple ID. And then set up later in settings. And choose don't use. Next I'm going to tap on agreed. And then tap on continued with the express settings. And then tap on continued. And then set up later in settings. So do you want to set up screen time right now? If not, we choose set up later in settings. And then tap on don't share, or you want to share with Apple any data, that's up to you. I'm going to choose don't share. And finally tap on continued, continued, and then continued. And that's it. So say welcome to iPad. Then tap on get started. And that's it. Finally we have set up your iPad Air. So at a later stage you can always go into settings. In settings you can tap on the sign in to your iPad to sign in with your own Apple iCloud account. If you want to download apps, you can go into iTunes and App Store and sign in to download any apps from App Store. General, go to about, and then in here you can find out your iPad model name, model number, and the serial number, and the capacity of your device. And that's it. So that is how you can set up your iPad for the first time. After which you can start to download apps and start using your iPad Air. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.